Is a pesky white stripe ruining the mobile view of your Elementor website? Let's squash it in under 90 seconds. First, switch to mobile view by clicking the responsive Mo icon at the bottom, then selecting the mobile icon. Next, select the main section or container of your page and navigate to the Layout tab. Check the height settings. Ensure it's set to default or fit to screen instead of a fixed height that might cause overflow. Now, head over to the Advanced tab and examine the margin and padding settings. Zero out any unnecessary margins or paddings, especially on the bottom, as these can push the content beyond the viewport. Another culprit could be the overflow settings. Scroll down, find the overflow settings and make sure the X and Y axis are set to default. If that doesn't work, let's try a different approach. Go to Elementor settings, then click Advanced, find CSS Print Method and select Internal Embedding. As a last resort, let's add some custom CSS. Paste this line of code into your Elementor's custom CSS area. HTML body overflow hidden. This will force any horizontal overflow to be hidden. Refresh your website on your mobile device, and that annoying white stripe should be gone for good.